Hello children, I am Miss Nusrat Khan. I am the class teacher of Standard First A. So children, do you all like to listen to story? Today I will tell you the story. The story is very nice. You all will learn something from that story. The story is from English Bal Bharati, Unit 1. Before I start the story, children, tell me, what is this? This is a ball. Which ball is this? This is a football. Okay. Children, do you all like to play football? Yes. Everyone like to play football? Yes. So, you all can see this picture. What are the children doing? They are playing football. Okay. What is that boy doing? The boy is kicking the ball. What is that boy doing? He is kicking the ball. So the story is about the football. The story is about the football. Okay. So lesson number 1, Soham's ball. The story is about Soham's ball. Soham and Sam are playing football. Children, you all can see this two children. What are they playing? They are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. You all can see this boy. What he is doing? He is kicking the ball. So Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Where did the ball went? The ball goes to Mr. Mane's garden. You all can see this garden. You all can see Mr. Mane standing in hat. The ball goes to Mr. Mane's garden. Now we will see what happens. Sam asks for the ball. What is Sam doing? He is asking for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball, please? See, so nicely he is asking, excuse me. How is saying, excuse me, may I have the ball, please? What word he is using? He is using please. See, Mr. Mane is so happy, he is feeling so happy and he is telling, sure, here it is. Now, again, they are playing football. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Again they started playing football. The ball went again to Mr. Mane's garden. Now first it was Sam's turn. Now it is Soham's turn. Now Soham asks for the ball. Now Soham is going and he is asking for the ball. See now how Soham is asking for the ball. Give me the ball. How he is asking? Very rudely. Give me the ball. See the Mr. Mane, he is feeling sad. He is telling, no, I won't. Mr. Mane is telling, no, I won't. I will not give you the ball. Why does Mr. Mane says no? Who will tell me? Why does Mr. Mane says no? Yes, because Sam asks very politely and Soham is asking very rudely. Okay, now you all can see after saying no, how is Soham feeling? You all can see Soham's face. He is feeling very sad. And you all can see how Mr. Mane is feeling. He is also feeling very sad. Now see what happens. Now Soham tries again. Now Soham is trying again. He is asking for the ball again. Uncle, may I have the ball, please? See now so nicely Soham is asking. First he asked so rudely, give me the ball. Now see how nicely he is asking, may I have the ball, please? Now you all can see how Mr. Mane is feeling. Yes, Mr. Mane is feeling very happy. Mr. Mane is feeling very happy, and he said, sure, here it is. Then he gives the ball to Soham. After taking the ball, Soham is telling thank you. What is Soham telling? Thank you. So children, do you all understand the story? So in the story, there are 4 magic words. What are they? There are 4 magic words. See, thank you is the first. Second is please. Third is excuse me. And fourth is sorry. These are the 4 magic words. So children, whenever you all use these 4 magic words, the person will be so happy, and whatever you want, the person will give you. So whenever you all take something from someone and you all want to return it, you all should always say thank you. And if you all want something, so you all should always say please, or you all can say excuse me, please. And after you all do something, if you all by mistake you all kick your friend, by mistake you all push your friend, so what you all should say? You all should say sorry. So children, repeat these magic words after me. Thank you, please, excuse me, sorry. Thank you.